So what you can also do is you can go around and then move around the pixels inside the pictures by using something called Liquify tool. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the filters menu, and then you can see that Liquify is an option. Once you go around onto Liquify, then by default you get this brush right here, Smooth Brush, which allows you to go around and push out the brush right here in order to go around and change around the content right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, you want to adjust the shape of this bird. You can just simply go around and pull it out, pull the eye right here, and so forth. Apart from that, you got the reconstruct right here, which actually goes around, and then you can see that you can reconstruct out it into the original state right here. Apart from that, you got this smoothen right here, just like this, which allows you to smoothen out the content right here. So let's just go around and pull it out and go for smoothen, and it smoothens the content out, as you can see right here. You got the twirl right here, which allows you to twirl out the content right here, just like this, as you can see, and then you can go around onto smoothen to do it back. So you can also go around and make something smaller or make something larger, as you can see right here, just like this. And you also have the push left, as you can see right here. So everything is pushed on right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here on back onto the smoothen right here, and then it'll smoothen things out right here, just like this, to get back. So apart from that, there's the navigation tools, as you can see right here, and you can go around and zoom in and zoom out and work precisely on certain things. So while working around with Liquify right here, you can work around with the size of the brush, as you can see right here, just like this. You can pull it out right here, make the bird a bit fatter, as you can see right here, more just like this by pulling it out right here. And then you can also change around the density as well, just like this. You can go around, change the rate as well, and then see the background as well, just like this, and then work around with the opacity of the background as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and if I were to go around and press OK, then this is what you have. So if I were to go around and undo, this is the before and this is the after, as you can see right here. And that is what Liquify tool can do. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.